We're at the beach. We're at Matador Beach.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be talking about, you guessed it, the beach.
Oh
So,
my gosh.
I hate myself. I hate that I just did that.
But yeah, oh my gosh, this view is so gorgeous. Okay, hold on, let me show you.
This is that cruising on the PCH, banging on these 808s, trying to get to Malibu. This is that California dreaming, somewhere by the sea, yeah, trying to find my way back to you.
Super fun day with the fam bam.
She caught the last train last night, left another note saying, see you next time, miss me if you don't. You look good in your bed till we meet again. You into my head, no, they told me so. Everybody knows she's a perfect 10, and I'm hanging on tight till the whole thing ends. 'Cause New York sky don't get much brighter.
Successful photo day. We got a lot of cool pictures. So that was the end of the video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I make new videos sometimes when I have time. So yeah. Okay. Bye.